Today, we are making pigeon peas and rice. For our ingredients, we have olive oil, bacon, onions, red and green bell pepper, salt, pigeon peas, diced tomatoes, tomato paste. The first thing we're going to do, we are going to cook our bacon. You want to make sure that it is well done. Once it is done, we're going to take it out of our skillet and we're going to set it to the side on a paper towel. Next, in that same skillet, we're going to add our onions. And we're just going to saute those until those are translucent. Now we're going to add in our red and green peppers, and we're just going to mix that in with our onions. Once our bell peppers are sauteed a little bit, we are going to add in our rice. We're just going to add in some salt, and then I'm just going to mix everything together. Here, you want to continue to saute your rice until it is lightly brown, as you can see. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to add in our tomato paste, and we're just going to mix that into our rice and our vegetables really well. Here I'm going to add in some pepper. I'm just going to mix that in. And here I'm adding my pigeon peas. And I'm just going to mix everything together and make sure that everything is well incorporated. And here I'm going to add in my chicken broth. My diced tomatoes, and we're just going to make sure that everything is mixed together. Now we're going to bring to a boil for about 5 minutes until most of the water has absorbed. Then we're going to cover and reduce the heat, and we're going to simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes or until the liquid is absorbed and the rice is done to your liking. You want to remove from the heat. You want your rice to rest for about 5 minutes. Here I'm going to continue to fluff up my rice, and then I'm going to add my cooked bacon back to my rice, and our pigeon peas and rice is done. Let me tell you, this is a delicious dish. You cannot go wrong with this pigeon peas and rice. Now, I live in South Florida, so it's many different versions of pigeon peas and rice within the culture. So if you see someone adding or taking away from their pigeon peas and rice, that is their version. And this is my version, and I love my version of pigeon peas and rice. So today we made pigeon peas and rice my way. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And today we made pigeon peas and rice. And let me tell you, it was so delicious.